Explanation of Article 343 of the Indian Constitution. Introduction. India is a nation of tremendous linguistic diversity, with hundreds of languages spoken across its vast geography. Recognizing this diversity while ensuring administrative unity, the Constitution of India introduced a framework to manage the official language of the Union. Article 343, under Part 17 of the Constitution, deals specifically with the language to be used for official purposes at the Union level. It establishes Hindi in Devanagari script as the official language while balancing the historical use of English and the need for gradual transition. Clause 1. Establishment of Hindi as the official language. Article 343, 1, declares that the official language of the Union shall be Hindi in the Devanagari script. This provision reflects the intention of the framers of the Constitution to promote Hindi as the national language in order to foster a sense of unity among citizens. It is important to note that while Hindi is given official status, it is not described as the national language but merely as the language for official Union work. In addition, the article specifies that the numerals used for official purposes shall follow the international form of Indian numerals, which refers to the 0 to 9 system used worldwide. This choice was practical and aimed to align India's administrative practices with global standards. Clause 2. Continuity of English for 15 years. Understanding the complexities of transitioning an entire bureaucracy from English to Hindi, Article 343, 2, provides that English would continue to be used for all official purposes for 15 years from the commencement of the Constitution, that is, from 26 January 1950 to 26 January 1965. This transition period was designed to allow for training, familiarization, and gradual adaptation. Further, the proviso empowers the President, during this transition period, to authorize the use of Hindi in addition to English for official purposes. The use of the Devanagari numerals could also be introduced alongside international numerals. This provision offered flexibility and allowed bilingual usage based on administrative preparedness. Clause 3. Parliamentary power to extend or modify. Article 343, 3, recognizes that a complete shift from English might be difficult within the stipulated period. It empowers Parliament to legislate on the continued use of English language and Devanagari form of numerals after the initial 15-year period. This provision has been invoked by Parliament multiple times, beginning with the Official Languages Act, 1963, which extended the use of English indefinitely for official purposes. This was later amended in 1967 to ensure that English would not be discontinued without a resolution passed by both houses of Parliament. Conclusion. Article 343 represents a pragmatic approach to language policy in India. It combines the constitutional aspiration of promoting Hindi as the official language with the practical need to continue using English, especially given its entrenched role in administration, education, and international communication. The provision also gives Parliament significant flexibility to adapt language policy based on the changing needs of the nation. Ultimately, Article 343 reflects India's commitment to both linguistic identity and administrative convenience, embodying a careful balance between tradition and modernity. The Constitution of India. Part 17. Official Language. Chapter 1. Language of the Union. Article 343. Official Language of the Union. 1. The official language of the Union shall be Hindi in Devanagari script. The form of numerals to be used for the official purposes of the Union shall be the international form of Indian numerals. 2. Notwithstanding anything in Clause 1, For a period of 15 years from the commencement of this constitution, the English language shall continue to be used for all the official purposes of the Union for which it was being used immediately before such commencement. Provided that the President may, during the said period, by order authorize the use of the Hindi language in addition to the English language and of the Devanagari form of numerals in addition to the international form of Indian numerals for any of the official purposes of the Union. 3. Notwithstanding anything in this article, Parliament may by law provide for the use, after the said period of 15 years, of a. the English language, or b. the Devanagari form of numerals, for such purposes as may be specified in the law.